Hey guys, Brad here from Brad's Grow Outdoors. Today, my family and I are fishing in Traverse City. We are on our family vacation. We came to the same spot last night and we caught some rock bass, so I'm heading back there today to see if I can catch some more. And yeah, we'll see. Got one. That's a nice little rock bass. First cast of the day, not a bad rock bass. Oh, it's a, what is that, a rock bass? It's a nice one. It's really good. Hold on, yeah, let me reel this in real quick. Dude, there's a whole bunch of them I'm watching. Oh, that's the biggest one I've seen yet. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's just... I keep on thinking that's a fish coming up. Got one. Okay guys, so I just caught another really small rock bass. It's literally the size of a bluegill. Guys, another really small rock bass. It's number 2 on the day.
Gold one.
Got one. Oh, it's a really small sunfish. Or not sunfish, rock bass. Okay guys, that's another super small rockfish. It's another super small rock bass, my bad. That's 3 on the day for me, 1 for my dad. Got one. Nice little rock bass. Okay, guys, got another rock bass. Oh! Guys, another rock bass. We're gonna have to end this. Guys, so we're going to wrap it up. It was a good day. We caught like 7 or 8 fish, so make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and put on post notifications, and I'll see you next time.